Welcome back to another episode here on The Richter Show. Today we are at the Chattanooga Airport. So right now I am going to show you inside what it looks like during the day, since I'll be departing from here. And then since I will be arriving here at nighttime, I'll do a second video showing how it looks during the nighttime, and that way you know what to expect and you know exactly where everything is located, whether you come here during the daytime or during the nighttime. And this is the new airport, the expansion of it. So I'm gonna walk around and show gates 1 through 6. Show gates 7 through 8. That's the exit. Skyline views. Place to get some snacks and something to eat. There was a little shop there, a bathroom, a lot of dining space. It looks nice and clean and newish. Okay, some interesting artifacts here. A lot of propaganda of Chattanooga. All these things are here in Chattanooga that you see on the wall. And that's part of the parking lot over there. And that's where you also get car rentals on that side. And that's the airport. There's a portion of it. And this is the last gate, gate 8. So that's the security, TSA over there, right in front. And there's a little store here. You can buy little things here and there. I think they have a hat. So this is what you first see when you get to the airport and you pass TSA. Lunch menu. So this is the other side of the airport. This is I think this is the old side of the airport. Interesting architecture. Behind that glass is the TSA. And more interesting things in the middle. College Museum of Cast Iron. You got the bathrooms here. And there's a lot of places to look for your flights, the arrivals, the departures. Here are the final gates on this side, 5 and 6. This is still from the old airport. It's still a small airport, but it's growing. And they're going to be doing some type of, I guess, open up more stores over here. This is the menu. And I got the Chattanooga Brewing Company Faultless Beer. Boarding American Eagle with American Airlines. Alrighty then. Here at the Chattanooga Airport. So this is the Chattanooga Airport. It is nighttime right now, so that's why you don't see much activity and it's very dark at the moment. But at least I am going to show you some of the places around, because I know there's doing a lot of upgrades around here. There is a set of bathrooms here to the left, and then I'm going to keep it going a little further so I can show you where the baggage claim is. There's only two of them. There's one right here, and then there's one a little bit further down. Now to the left side you do have all the car rentals, and take a look at this Slingshot Rocket Power Sports. They always switch it up here and there. I've seen motorcycles, I've seen Volkswagens over here. And there's a photographer. And that's for the other baggage claim. And then here are more counters like the Enterprise, the Alamo. And then I think over here at the end is something else as well. Oh, Thrifty. And of course there are easy signs to know where to get the Uber, the Lyft, taxis and shuttles over there. And if you keep going down that way, that's where you can pick up your car after you rent it out over here. So let's go a little back again. Now I can show you where the ticket counters are. And show you the other side. Once again, this is a very small airport, but it is growing, and that's why I wanted to do an update on how it looks and how it has changed. I did a video, I think like a year or two ago, and some changes have been done to it. So it's good to revisit these places and do a video again just to keep up to date with them. So once again, this is temporary until they fix and they upgrade whatever it is that they're doing there. There's some seating area over here. And then you have the flight information. As you can see, I'm actually filming right now at 3:11 in the morning. Some more pictures and paintings of actual Chattanooga. All this stuff is actually here. And there's another set of bathrooms here. And then all the check-in counters are over here on the left side. As an example, you have United, you have Delta, down there you have American Airlines. So that's it. Now I'm going to take a quick step outside so you can take a look at it from the outside as well when it's nighttime. And usually you come in from that side, and then this is all short-term parking or long-term parking, whichever you decide to get. And this is the main entrance to the Chattanooga Airport. You got some flags up with the American flag, the Tennessee flag. Now I am going to actually walk to another side of the parking lot. Like I said, there is a lot of parking here. Down there on that side is where you have the car rentals, but you can also park in the covered area on the second, third floor, and even on the 4th floor on top. So we will continue to go through here. Once again, they are continuing to do construction because they are improving this airport. They're making it bigger, they're making it more comfortable. And that's actually a good thing. That tells that the city is actually growing. So this area in particular is actually a long-term parking area. So it's very well illuminated. It is pretty safe. There are police officers actually that patrol the area. So it doesn't really matter what time it is here. You should feel safe, and the crime here is very, very low. You can see a little bit of a distance that I'm parked right next to the actual airplanes. So I am about to leave the airport right now. Gotta make sure I don't run anybody over because it is dark. And this is actually one of the exits. So it's quite simple. You pull up to here, and I have my parking ticket with me. There you go.
Please pay for the parking fee.
Now I did stay here a little bit longer than expected because my flight got delayed. But then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the card in there. Pull it out.
Thank you for your visit and have a safe drive.
There you go. I'm good to go now. I don't need a receipt. And this is basically the exit of the airport. I know it's a little bit difficult to see, but at least you have an idea of what to expect if you do have to come here during the nighttime. Like I said, this is all parking lot area, and that's where all the car rentals are on the bottom. And this is also either short-term parking or long-term parking. Very well illuminated. And over here you have the sign that actually says the Chattanooga Airport. Usually when you come in, you would come in to the left. Now since I'm leaving, I don't have to go through there again. And with that said, if you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next airport review.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter Show.